feeling today?
Good! Very good! Excellent!
Good morning, team!
Paano ba yung trabaho ang insurance? So, sabi ni Grace, sama kami.
Think about the future of your business in the next 2 months and of course the year 2025 and beyond. Okay.
My flexibility. You can work at your own pace. Pwede mong bilisan. Pwede pa natin mas bilisan. Do things excellently. Regardless, ilan yung kasama at kausap mo. Bakit? It's not about them. It's about you building your skill. It's about you practicing excellence at all times hanggang maging habit mo siya. But the question is, are we all seeing what is being offered today?
Next year, it's gonna be a totally different team, Grace. Tama ba? It's a totally different individual people in Team Grace. Right? Because, whether you like it or not, guys, gagawin ko talaga lahat na gagawin natin para ma-fulfill natin yung mga sinulat natin para sa sarili natin, para sa pamilya natin.